Hi guys, Sam here from Landscape Plus. Today we are going to show you how to reset a Claber Video-2 original, so that's a complete factory reset, or we're also going to show you how you can remove just one of the two irrigation cycles. So as you open the timer, you can see there that the time is set to 8:02. We've got cycle number 1 opening at 6 AM, closing at 10 past, and cycle number 2 opening at 5 PM and closing at 10 past. So deleting programs within here, you've got two options. You can either just delete one of the two cycles, and to do so you would go to the close screen, open that one up, press and hold both arrows, and you can see there that irrigation cycle number 2 has been completely removed, but number 1 is still there and we've still got the time of day stored. Or if you press and hold both arrows, you have to hold these for 15 seconds, and that will be a complete factory reset. So you'll lose both cycles and you will also lose the time of day. So that is how you factory reset or remove one of the two irrigation cycles for the Claber Video-2 original. Anything else you need, give our team a call. We'll be more than happy to help.